Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning. We are in Copenhagen. So today we are leaving Copenhagen. We just spent 3 days here and we're hopping on the MSC Cruise Euribia. We're going on a 7-night cruise up to Norway. We've never been on an MSC cruise before, so come along with us and we'll see how good they are, how bad they are, how we like it. We're going to take you through, film what we can in the embarkation process. See how easy it is, how bad it is, we'll find out, guys. So come along with us as we explore the MSC Euribia.
Let's go.
So one thing we already noticed is sort of a pain to get to the cruise terminal. The metro doesn't come here. There is a bus, but it takes a long time. And a taxi from like downtown Copenhagen to the cruise port, I'm not sure how much it is. My guess would be like 40 euros, maybe more.
They even have hop-on, hop-off.
Right, even the hop-on, hop-off bus comes here. So, went through security, super easy. I mean, I guess there was no backup yet. We're here at 10. We had one of the first embarkation times, so super easy for us. And the line's only about, maybe 50 people maybe ahead of us. That was the fastest I ever think we've gotten on a boat before. Also the steepest ramp I've ever taken on, but embarkation only took us maybe 5 minutes. I mean, we were in and out of there quick. Alright, here we are. Alright, so we entered on deck 5. It's where the main reception is. I guess they have piano players here. It's really pretty and silvery in here, yeah? Alright, so they say rooms will be ready by 2. Hopefully they're ready sooner. And we're just gonna hang out, walk around a bit, maybe get some lunch. Look at these really pretty stairs as we go up, huh? Chris loves them. We're up on 6. There's some gift shops, more seating areas. Alright, so that's 5. That's where we got on, and we're up on 6. Well, let's go down this way. On 6 is this beautiful open atrium. That's really cool. Let's see what we have down here. So there's a gallery, restaurants, bars, boutiques. At the end of 6 is the theater, winemaker, the hub. I'm not sure what a winemaker is. Foundation, more restaurants, more restaurants. I think we have this restaurant for dinner. So we just got on board and we were talking to one of the hosts here and they're telling us about all the specialty restaurants. And it's not that bad of a price. We're going to do the 3 different specialty restaurants for 95 euros. It's about 115 because they add the gratuities on top. So we just got done by seeing our specialty restaurant package. The total was 218 euros for 3 different specialty restaurants: the steakhouse, the Mexican, and the Japanese restaurants. Oh. Ice cream gelato place here. Of course, Chris needs pictures of the ice cream. Let's see, they got a chocolate shop over here.
Get your own chocolate.
Make your own chocolate bar. That is a lot of chocolate.
And they have brown chairs and white chairs. So white chocolate or...
They're cute. Another little lounge bar. Band plays. A bunch of shops over here. Let's see what we got. Boutique shops, clothing shops, purses.
We already spent money on the restaurant. Even we have the restaurants can eat in the dining room.
Alright, we're at the theater. It's at the end of deck 6. I think it goes on deck 6 and deck 5. It's a really bright, modern ship in the design, yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's really a pretty ship. So we just got in the elevator to go up to the pool deck, the buffet deck area, and they are really big, reach your hand out, elevators. Like, you can probably fit 20 in here. And the interesting part is the buttons aren't on the inside. So when you use the elevators, you select what floor you want, and then it tells you, like, it showed A, so if I select your floor, then it shows you what elevator to wait by. It's a great system. And we got right to the pool, the bamboo pool. It's bamboo in the bamboo pool. Of course, the smart people brought their bathing suits and carried them on so they can go in the jacuzzi right away. They got the roof on the pool right now. Nice pool bar. Nice seating lounge areas. This would be the outdoor pool area. I'm not sure if, no, this one doesn't close up. Another pool bar. Let's see what the drink packages are. There's an easy drink package, which is 47 euros per person per day. There's a 63 and an 87 euro per person per day. Well, I got the outdoor screen for movies, I would assume, and stage. Lots of sun chairs. They even have like the beds out in the pool. Beautiful pool. So Atmosphere South Bar, it looks like where the like hot dog and hamburger restaurant is for the pool deck. There's the Market Buffet, and there's another full bar over here. Market Family and Kids. This is the buffet area. And they say breakfast is still open for a little bit. We're the first ones on the ship. Here's the beverage station for what's included. Grapefruit, orange, and pineapple juice. Might just be for breakfast. Waters, teas, and coffees. And they got the lunch buffet open, and just look at all the cakes. They look wonderful. Sausages and sauerkraut and hamburgers, french fries, pretty common fare, salads. So what are your first impressions on the ship?
The first impression is the ship is very nice, it's big, and the food is pretty good. It's better than the food we had in the last cruise, which was Carnival.
I would agree. The food's better than Carnival. It does have like a European slant on it though, yeah?
Right. The cakes are more like European, like eclair and art and stuff like that. And it's a lot of food.
Yeah, and what about the design of the ship?
I like it. It's modern. It's very sparkly, like I like it, diamond-like. Even the steps on the height.
So my first impressions was the embarkation went really quick. I mean, maybe 5 or 10 minutes to get on the boat. The design is absolutely beautiful. I love the silver and silver and white is the overall color scheme. You know, the buffet was really good. It sort of has like a European slant on the food, right? Like the types of deli meats they put out and the different types of cakes that they had at the buffet. I've only been on the ship about 2 hours, but so far, pretty impressed. Alright, so I'm going to go record the lunch buffet and see what they got. It is actually really extensive. Now let's see here, we have soups, pastas, antipastas, Caesar salad, cold carved turkey, mashed potatoes, fried fish, beans, all sorts of different breads, cold cuts, more different veggie salads, really large buffet for lunch. And again, it's the first day of the ship, so maybe they made it a little extra special. But it's a nice looking buffet. Let's see if I can find the cake area. Over here for lunch, they have all their different pizza, like black crust pizza and artichoke. That looks interesting. And cold cuts. And over this way, we have the desserts, if I can get in here. 4 cakes. Little tarts. Chris said the eclairs were really good. Little jelly dishes. It's a really nice buffet. And the included drinks, if you don't buy anything, yeah, hot water, hot milk, okay, that's neat. Cold milk, coffee, lemons, all different types of teas, tons of different teas. Juices only work for breakfast. Water and ice, and the water was actually pretty good. It didn't taste funky or like tap water, it tastes like bottled water.
Ben is filling up the water. They have so many teas. A lot of different teas.
So in this video we're just doing a light look around, first impressions of the ship. Later in this series on the cruise we'll do a full ship tour. So if it's not up yet, it will be in a couple of days. The full ship tour vlog.
Cari ospiti, buon pomeriggio e benvenuti a bordo. Desideriamo informarvi che il marketplace booking.
So we just went to the main dining room that we were assigned, Aurora Borealis. They only have 2 seating times, 6:30 and 9. You have to have like the higher level cruise member if you want an anytime dining slot. So that sort of sucks. So on the ship they have tons of these informational boards, interactive screens. You can select the ship. There's a bunch of different languages. I was looking at a different one earlier. It even had like Chinese and Japanese and all sorts of different languages. So you can see where you are on the ship, where you're going, change the decks. I think that's all cabins. We're up here on 14. It's a really nice ship with new modern technology built into it.
They use these professional radio glasses from Austria.
Oh yeah?
One glass is 35 euros.
Wow. So this is the wine experience on board. It's like a really, really high-end wine tasting experience. The tables are interactive.
We give 4 wines.
So you try 4 different wines. It's 35 euros. It comes with some appetizers and whatnot. And they do it 2 or 3 times in a sail?
Yes.
That is very cool. So that's something different. I've never seen this on a ship before. But like I said, all the new technologies.
All the glasses got different size.
Yeah,
Yes, exactly.
for all the
The
different
reason
wines.
behind that is, suppose I give you the same wine in different glasses. I give Chardonnay from in this glass and this glass. This is going to be different. Why glasses are important in wine industry? Just like that. This is what we are practicing here.
Yeah, because it affects how much aroma is let out. Yeah, how much the wine breathes.
We're probably gonna do that, and I
This
want
is
to
a really
try
cool
this
glass.
one.
That's a cool glass. I've never seen
We call
that.
it Pinot Noir glass. Pinot Noir.
Oh, this one. That's the Pinot Noir. That's my favorite one.
And you can tell you can see that they're either crystal or handmade glass. You can, I don't know if you see it.
Also, if you see, if you turn the glasses like this.
Yeah. You can see that it's handmade glass.
They
Very
come with
beautiful.
flavors and aromas. You can get
Really?
the
Just because it's the
Yeah. So we just talked to Nitesh. He explained to us their wine experience here. It sounds really cool. I think we're probably going to do it.
The first impression is very good about this ship because look how pretty it is here. So everybody's enjoying different way. Staying, drinking wine, walking around, playing games, check for the excursions, and that's what is gonna be our next step to see what we're gonna do in our ports. We didn't book any excursions yet, but we will. We have 3 different ports, right? 4 ports. 1 Germany and 3 in Norway. So let's go explore more the ship and find out what excursion, what we're gonna do in our week in Norway.
It's sort of a fun activity to have on board, a build your own chocolate bar. You can pick what type of chocolate, put your toppings on it, and then it's all wrapped up, your own personalized chocolate bar.
So we got the window view here and the coffee place. We're checking the magazine to see what excursion we take while I'm drinking a cafe latte.
We're walking by I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a chocolate factory here. Look at this guy. Beautiful work. Very nice. Some of the other pieces he's made. Very cool. We're gonna go see if the room is ready. We've been sitting around trying to book excursions. Let's go see if we can get in the room. It's about 1:45, almost 2. So hopefully our room's ready. Let's go check it out. Unfortunately, we have an inside cabin we put in for an upgrade, but we didn't get it. 1464, 064. So this is cool.
064 is this one.
Yeah, they have these little seating areas here so you can wait for people or hang out.
That's cool.
It's really nice.
I guess our floor is all fed to more big.
Yeah, I think that's odd numbers though, yeah? Alright, so this is our cabin. It's actually not bad, baby. It's bigger than the one I remember when we had on Carnival 100 years ago.
We had once. This is our second time when we have inside.
Yeah.
We have one like 20 years ago inside. And since then just balconies, and now we're back to the inside. It's kind of bad. It's kind of scary. No window. Oops.
I don't know, I don't feel claustrophobic in here though. How do we turn on the bathroom light? There we go.
It's not that small.
No. So I mean, you can see I can stand up, pretty tall. They even have a little bar down there for you to put your foot on. So not bad. Really nice new clean ship for the most part, newly renovated. Yeah.
It is. But no window.
No, but we knew that.
No balcony. I knew that. I know.
Yeah, we had put in.
Try so hard.
We put in for a bid to get an upgraded room, and we didn't get our bid accepted.
We tried to pay to
Sucks.
get the balcony, and we didn't get it.
Alright, so we're at 4:30, we're doing the boat drill. I like the way that Carnival does it now. You can just sort of show up and they sign off on it, but this one's still the old school. You all have to show up at the same time and you gotta take the stairs.
We have to take the stairs. Can you believe that, Carl?
Alright, we're almost there. So we're back in the atrium after our we visit our mustard station, and look, the entire ceiling's actually an LED screen or some type of screen, and they have the boat drill put on it. That's crazy.
And we're done with our orders, so now we can go drink.
So the pizza on this boat should be really good. They make their own mozzarella on board, and this is part of the mozzarella making process. So we finally made it outdoors. They got really nice, they got like an obstacle course and water slides. We'll have to make it up there later to see what's all going on up there. So it's a sail away party. We're finally underway here, and Chris loves it. She loves watching the dancers. Good evening. We have the 6:30 seating, so this is our first time in the main dining room for dinner. The menu didn't have any beef on it, which was a bit weird, but they had veal and all sorts of fish and trout. And for the appetizers, I'm starting with the pot stickers and watching my Bills game, and Chris got the minestrone soup. Alright, our dinner came. I got the veal and Chris got the pasta bolognese. As you see, the portions aren't that big, which is nice, so you can eat an appetizer, an entree, and dessert, right?
Yeah. I'm ready for the dessert.
Yeah.
I'm ready for the dessert.
You got what, the white chocolate mousse, and I got the cherry cake. Alright guys, we had a really busy first day aboard the ship. We're just getting ready for bed. First impressions, the ship is absolutely beautiful. The food, I'm not quite sure about yet. The portions in the dining room were very tiny. The show was okay. Yeah, we'll see. So far I think it's a little better than a Carnival ship, but we'll find out. We got a bunch more days to go. So if you want to see more from our cruise above the MSC Euribia, follow our channel, like, share, subscribe. We'll have a lot more videos coming up, probably at least one video from every day of this cruise. See you guys in the next video.